Hello and welcome to a new video. This time we will be doing the exercise for the advanced formulas. If you want to give this exercise a try in advance, feel free to do so. I've linked it in the video description. But then please stop the video at this point because the next part of the video will be a solution for the exercise. So here we have the exercise. First, we should sort this alphabetically. Type in sort, select the range and then enter. You could also do here or input here the sort index and the sort order, but both is the standard setting for the sort function, so you don't need that. So here we should sum up the sales of our company starting with A. So we show it to you. So here sales multiplied with left of company name equals C. Close all the things here. And here you see there's a 0 in if the companies don't start with C, but there is a number if the company starts with C. So here China Construction Bank starts with C, and therefore the sales is in here. So then we have up the sum function around this and put, oh, not with C, with A, sorry, and put it inside here. Then we should sum the product of sales and profit from all Japanese companies. So sales multiplied with profits if country equals to Japan. Here you need those in brackets as before because this will be a true-false value. Also here, the market cap of all companies from China with over 10 billion profit. So market cap multiply with profit larger to 10,000 multiplied with country equals to China. I think so, yeah. And here you have it. And then the sum of market cap of all companies then starts with A, that are from company that ends with S and make more than 10 billion in profits. So sum the market cap if makes more than 10 billion in profits. So here we need the brackets, then left of company name should be A, and right from country should be S. And here you have it. So you don't need here a 1 in here, and also not for the right function, because the default setting for left and right for the number of chars, you see here this is an edgy bracket. So the default setting is 1. So if you don't have something here, then there's a 1. So here we have the solution. I hope to see you in the next video, this time about a very cool topic about lambdas. See you there.